you need to scrape around the hub, it's good to remove that gap in the middle. So let's just give it a slight tap, another slight tap, and there it goes. Step 1, paint scraper. Scrape all that chipped paint, because it's going to be harder to sand it off. So whenever you see chipped or bubble paint, scrape it off a little bit. Try not to scratch the rim, so go light on it, don't put a lot of strength on it, but try to catch all those bubble paint parts like so, without scratching the rim itself, and remove all those paint chips. Next, take a Brillo pad and try to smooth out all those spots and clean out all those parts where you scraped. You're gonna take a sand, not a sander, but a little bit of sandpaper to this in a while, so it doesn't matter, you don't have to completely clean it up. We're gonna do that later with a little bit of acetone. Get in there in the tough spots and loosen all that rust and crap that's lodged in there. It's gonna make your sanding way easier and cleaning as well. Okay, once we're done with the Brillo pad, the next thing we can do is grab a little bit of 150 sandpaper, right? Cut a piece and then start sanding around these areas where you scrape the paint. I'll try to use circular motion. Sorry, trying to do that with my left hand and not very easy. So use a circular motion and make the transition between the paint and the sanded area as smooth as possible. This is the hardest part to do, and it takes the most elbow grease, especially around here, with the paint is the worst. It's gonna take a while. Once you're done with the 150, jump to 200 and then 400, and try to sand as much of the whole rim as possible with 400. Our next problem is a curb brush. As you can see, we have a lot of curb brush here. So the best way to deal with this, even though you can deal with it with sandpaper, I'm going to use a Dremel. What you want to do is, if you have a Dremel, use a conical wire brush, right? Matter of fact, I could have done the same thing here, right? But I'm just going to use it on this area because I got better control. After dremeling the thing, I noticed that the curb brush is way too deep and it's not going to look good. There's no way I can sand this. At least I don't want to go and sand the whole rim down just to get rid of the curb brush. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of bundle metal, and this stuff will do the trick. I'm going to use just a little bit of it, so a small gob, half a teaspoon maybe, is going to work. And that's going to be about 2 drops of hardener, if I can manage 1, 2, there we go. I'll mix it real quick because the working time of it for it is extremely short. And once I got it well mixed, I'm going to apply it. Okay, apply bundle. Try to get it as deep as you can within the grooves, and try not to touch it because this shit is poison. You can smooth it out later. It's gonna take a while for it to dry, and once it dries, it's gonna be hard as a rock or as metal. Just trying to smooth it out a little bit. And remove the excess. And that will do for now.